I struggled with shin splints for years. I didn't think anyone else was ever getting that bad as me. But I just carried on skipping, and after a while it just goes away, and I've never had shin splints ever again in my life. How to skip lesson 1. First things first, make sure you get all the knots out of the rope. Yeah, because you don't want to have a knotty rope because you just trip yourself up. Next step, you just want to try and jump over the rope and time it. Jump, nice and easy. Jump, 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 jump. And then once you're ready, after a couple of sessions, you can progress to the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the trick to this is basically jumping from one foot to the other. You actually land with both feet. It's not like, I mean, you can do that too, that's a lot harder. I actually feel that a lot more on my calves. 80% of the weight here and 20% of the weight here. So you're only landing 75 to 80% of your body weight on one foot at a time. And it won't tie your calves up so quick. That's the key. Now we're skipping, you start to pick it up. If you can get 1 minute skipping normally without tripping, 2 minutes is a good elementary start. But I mean, if you're really starting, don't try showing off obviously. Just do your simple skip. It's very good for your hand-eye coordination, which is burning up oxygen in your brain. So not only are you using your cardiovascular system, but you're tying it in. So it's a very good stimulant for your mind. That's why boxers like to skip a lot. You know, it helps them be light on their feet. And for any of you lads out there trying to build up your calves, not that I got massive calves, but it helped me a lot. In fact, if you ever struggle with shin splints, I struggled with shin splints for years. Like, I started boxing and they were making me do skipping, running, and I fucking hated it. Absolutely hated it, because I was a bit of a gym lad, and I remember getting them so bad, I didn't think anyone else was ever getting that bad as me. But I just carried on skipping, and after a while it just goes away, and I've never had shin splints ever again in my life, so it's worth sticking at it, for sure, like most things.